How to set height for your Wix website. Hey everyone and welcome, we hope you're all doing great. In this video I'll show you step by step how to do so. Now it is actually very simple, so let's just go ahead and get to it. And now this is going to be for the default Wix. This is not for Wix Studio. I need to note this because I know it says Wix Studio on the top left, but we're going to be using the default Wix editor, website, everything. So now with that being out of the way, we can just go ahead and start by clicking on edit site and basically navigating to the page that we want to adjust. Now, it's not going to be an entire page thing that you can just feel free to set. Instead, it's actually going to be by section. So you have multiple different sections on your page, and each section you'll be able to set the height for. So we are going to do that exactly for this homepage. So right now we have this first section here, and to really adjust any section is going to be exactly the same way, which is by going to the section, clicking on it, and then you want to basically go to the bottom of the section that you want to adjust the height for. So for example, we wanted to adjust the height for this one. You just want to go down and you will find this one, which is the adjust section height, or double click to remove any extra space above. So if you double click, it's actually going to cut so that it is going to be perfect, and there's no extra space above. Or you can feel free to just drag it yourself and go down, scroll down with it to increase the size for it if you want. So let's say section 1, we wanted to add more elements to it. We are not done with the text with image, so we can just go and drag this down however we like until we're happy with it, and we can just add our elements. If it's the other way around, you can just either double click or just you can snap it back yourself if you want to, and do it manually instead. Same goes for a section with a strip. It's also going to be exactly the same way. So you can just go ahead and try to increase or decrease the size of the page or the section by doing the same thing exactly. Let's say you had extra space. This is the strip, which is the white box, and this is the extra space. You just go in and double click on the arrows here beneath it, or just move it manually without having to double click. And also, a lot of times I've noticed beginners have this sort of footer, and then there's also this empty space. And I guess now that you know exactly what to do with it, you just basically double click on the bottom once you click on the footer, or just raise it up yourself and it's going to automatically go there for you. And this is pretty much what you need to do in order to set the height for a specific page on your Wix website. It is very easy and simple to do. So hopefully you found this video to be helpful, and thanks for watching.